What's going on, guys? Here at GNC, gonna pick up the 3D that I had held for me the other day. Hopefully they have some more of the chrome so we can shoot a review video. Let's go inside. Hopefully they have it. So they didn't have it, of course. Even when I called, they said they did, but they don't, and they don't even know what I was talking about. They're saying how it was like a 1 week flavor type of thing. I'm like, no, it's not. So I just picked up, ended up picking up a few white 3D cans, so fail. So yesterday was a big fail. I'm on my way to the gym right now. I have to clean my car. My car is just like, it's not even like trash dirty, it's just like dirty. Especially the outside. The inside definitely needs a good vacuum job and everything and cleaning. So I brought that with me, and I'm definitely gonna need this today. But yeah, it's yeah, kind of boring now that I think about it, but not everything in life is just super exciting, I guess. At least not yet. So guys, I really needed to clean my car, like really bad. Well, it's really bad for me anyhow, but yeah, just like my rims, especially the two front, are just like coated with brake dust and dirt and grime and all that. So I just can't wait to get to clean it, and I'm hoping to be able to film it for you guys. I just picked up this Meguiar's wheel and tire cleaner. Here we go, black cat. I hope that it works well because I don't want to do too much scrubbing. I did bring a little toothbrush with me to scrub the tire. I'm just like really hoping to just spray the solution on and then rinse. I really hope that's the case, and I really need to clean inside the car too, but I really don't want to that much. So I'm hoping to get to the car wash place with some daylight to spare, but who knows. If I do, great. If I don't, well, I tried, guys. Oh man, look at the water. I can't wait till the warm weather. I'll be leaned out, enjoying the outdoors and doing everything I love. I don't know if my lips are wicked shiny. My lips have been super chapped. My lips have been super chapped like the past 3 days, and it's nuts. But I'm gonna be going with my father-in-law to go to like a chicken wing spot. It's like a little pub area. It's definitely a hole in the wall, but best buffalo wings. So I gotta do this fast. See you guys at the car wash. Old car wash. It looks so like southern style. I don't even know how much it costs, but yeah. So what I'm gonna do, we still have some daylight. I'm gonna spray this on the tires, and then I wasn't really planning on it. I'm gonna spray it on the tires and then use that brush to try to brush off some grime. Let's get it.
We get sap on the truck.
Looks pretty good. Gotta admit, I mean, I really wish I got to scrub it. You guys probably can't see it too great, but I mean, that's the rear wheel. A lot of brake dust actually came off of that, even if it didn't look like there was. But I mean, the front are better. Not a super great job, but just glad I got some of it off, you know? It's better than just completely neglecting it. So I'm gonna do the inside just a little bit and then we're gonna head off. That was quick. Now it's time to enjoy these wings. Yeah. What's going on, guys? We're gonna mix some of our pre and then we're gonna get to the gym and get in a really solid, much needed workout. I'm probably halfway through with this with the Ghost sour green apple pre-workout. For the most part, I have been using it every single workout. I mean, I might miss it like here and there, but I try to use it all the time.
2,000 years later.
Let's get to the gym. Okay. Daddy's heading to the gym, baby, okay? I'll see you later. I'm heading to the gym. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I promise. I promise. I promise. I promise. I'll be right back. Oh. Oh, that's your toy? That's your toy? Okay. Love you. Love you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here, Ashley. Alright, I'll be right back, okay? Haven't had a single bite to eat. And I had an energy drink earlier. And I'm taking pre-workout, about to go to the gym, all on an empty stomach. So I do not recommend doing this, but for the sake of time, I have to. I actually have a couple of errands to do after I work out. So maybe I'll take you guys in with me. That'd be cool. Alright.
Folks sweat, busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box.
Just got to the gym. I'm still using the Naco Power wrist wraps. Almost maybe halfway done with my pre. I've been using my wrist wraps like here and there, on and off. It hasn't been bothering me that much. I'm trying to strengthen them. But I'm gonna take you through my workout today. Today we're gonna just do a lot of kind of full body. I'll just take you through. Let's go. I'm gonna show you guys the fit for the night. The black Alphalete Identity joggers. I'm actually not wearing no-show socks for once. They're just like Nike socks. The all-white Tangens. This Nike Dry Fit. I think it's like a tennis tank. I really like it. Like the OKC colors. Nike hat and yeah. The usual. Literally only in New England, guys, where it was 60 earlier today, and now it's snowing. And we're at Lowe's. Fantastic. I'm wearing my white shoes. Great. So we're looking for a masonry chisel. We're in the wood and drilling section, drill bits. I don't really know where to find this. I wonder if, see, I might need one of these. I might need this. I think that's what I'm looking for. But I wonder if I can use a regular hammer to what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to fix up that that brick, the hole in the wall. So I have to take out the broken pieces and then put in new pieces and fit it all in. Man, I wonder if these are masonry ones though. I think that should be it. So I'm gonna go with this chisel. I just hope it's long enough because I'm gonna need to grip my hand, and then, you know, the spacing in between here and the brick wall. I don't know if I'll have enough to feed this chiseled end to it, but I don't know. Now I have to go look for mortar to adhere the bricks together. That ended up working out perfect. I asked somebody about the chisel, and that was the right one, and he said that was the perfect amount. And they only had huge bags of mortar, and I was like, I really don't need this much. And then the gentleman, who was actually his birthday, turned 63. Everyone was yelling out happy birthday to him. He ended up helping me out, and I was like, is there a smaller bag of mortar? Because I really only need to patch up like the smallest area. And he points me to a bag of mortar, which was like significantly smaller, and it was only like $1 less. So I was like, I might as well get the big bag then, right? And the bag that he picked up that was small ended up being already ripped. And then he's like, how about I just give you this for $1? And I'm like, all right. So he picks it up and he spills a little bit more. He goes, oh great, it's gonna be less now. He's like, how about 50 cents? And I was like, all right, perfect. Because I literally don't need that much mortar, and I don't want to keep all that material around. So I'm glad I got it. So now I can hammer it out, literally hammer out the brick and then repair it. But actually what sucks is that I forgot to look for trowels. Well, I have putty knives and stuff, so I actually have a huge trowel, but I don't know. I'll figure it out because I don't want to have to buy it and just use it like one time. So, you know what, guys? I am gonna call it a video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give the video a like, and whatever content you guys want to see from me, maybe it's a little bit more fashion based or whatever, leave a comment down below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.